Guys, good afternoon. Beach is time. O, diba? Busy ang baji. Ay, nagkuhan og flat kay mga unami. Maniud to nami. Kay maligami og taga. Karon pa jud ko kaligog dagat, guys. Because it's so yummy the food, so that's why we will eat first and then later we will go to the beach and swimming how. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you to all. Happy lang para dili ta may stressfulness sa ating life, because life is too short. Life must be go on. That's why don't be too stressed. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the gracious. Sayonara, babush. Thank you for watching. Love, 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 love.